Welcomes to dear students and readers BHB Commerce World YouTube channels. So today in this video I am discussing about BCom 6th semester Rani Chennamma University Belagavi syllabus, costing method and techniques, most expected 2 marks questions and answers. Dear students, I will go through the first question. What is job costing? Job costing means to find out the cost of each job under the job costing units are produced according to specifications of the customers. And second question, what do you mean by contract costing? According to ICMA London, contract costing is that form of specific order costing which applies where the work is undertaken to customers' special requirement and order is long-term duration. This third question many times asked by Rani Chennamma University Belagavi. So what is escalation clause? This clause is to cover the changes in prices for material and labor. On account of changes in the price of material and labor, the contractor can increase the contract price. Give the meaning of work certified and work uncertified. First one, work certified. This is that part of contract certified by an architect or engineer or surveyor as complete during a specified period is called as work certified. And work uncertified means this is that a part of contract not have been certified by an architect or engineers or surveyor during a specified period, and it is also called as work in progress. What is operating costing? This question is asked by RCB many times. I think this question will be sure. Operating costing is the calculation of cost of service or rendered in the form of price is known as operating costing. And question number 6, what do you mean by standard charges? What do you mean by standing charges? It is also known as fixed charges. These are the expenses fixed in nature. These expenses have to be incurred where the vehicles run or not. And question number 7, what is running cost? The expenses are incurred on actual running of vehicles. If the vehicles are not running, expenses are also zero. And question number 8, what is process costing? It refers to costing of operations or process involved in converting raw materials into finished goods or products. It is called as process costing. And question number 9, what do you mean by abnormal loss? Any losses arising due to abnormal factors are known as abnormal losses. That is, such losses is over and above the normal losses. And question number 10, What do you mean by joint product? Here the split of the raw materials result in the production of two or more products is known as joint products. Question number 11. What do you mean by byproduct? Byproduct are the product comparatively small in value that are produced incidentally along with main product. It is called as byproduct. Question number 12. Definition of marginal costing. According to ICMA London, marginal costing is a technique where only variable costs are charged to cost unit, the fixed attributable being written off in full against the contribution for the period. And question number 13. What is contribution? Contribution is the difference between sales value and marginal cost of sales. You can write formula also. Contribution is equal to sales minus variable cost. And question number 14. Definition of absorption costing. According to ICMA London defines absorption is technique whereby fixed cost as well as variable cost are allotted to cost units. And question number 15. What is PV ratio? PV ratio, the full form of PV ratio is profit volume ratio. The profit volume ratio is also known as contribution ratio or marginal ratio. It is the ratio of contribution to sales. You can see formula here. PV ratio is equal to contribution divided by sales. Question number 16th. What do you mean by BEP? Here BEP full form is break-even point. The break-even point is that volume of output at which total cost is equal to sales. It is a point of no profit or no losses. Question number 17. Definition of reconciliation statement or reconciliation. According to Eric L. Kohler, reconciliation is the determination of the items necessary to bring the balance of two or more related accounts statement into agreement. It is called as reconciliation. And question number 18. Need for the reconciliation. To check the arithmetical accuracy of the accounts and to find out the reason for the difference in profit and loss account. Question number 19. What is notional cost? Notional cost can be said to be notional cost interest on capital employed but not actually paid. It is called as notional cost. And question number 28. What is notional rent? It is a charge in lieu of rent when premises are owned and own rent is payable. It is called as notional rent. Question number 21. What is over absorption of overheads? When the amount of overheads charged is more than the actual amount of overheads incurred, it is called as over absorption of the overheads. And question number 22nd. Features of job costing. So if question is asked You have to write only two pictures out of the four is given here. First one is it requires special attention. Second picture of job costing is product is not uniform. And third picture, each job has its own characteristics. And fourth picture of job costing is production is according to customer order. And question number 23, what is cost plus contract? In this contract, price is ascertained by adding a specified amount of profit to the costs allowed on the contract. It is applied in case of dam, powerhouses and etc. Question number 24. What is subcontract cost? It is the cost of subcontract carried out by a subcontractor. This is paid by contractor to subcontractor. It is called as subcontract of cost. And last question, question number 25. State any four undertakings where operating cost applies. That is, first one is railways, airways, hotels, canteen and road transport companies. Thank you for watching this video. If you are like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends. Thank you.